Fire in the Blackstone Hall. Let's cook some sandwiches. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard griddle. Everybody knows that the best sandwiches start out with bacon on the griddle, don't you think? So that's what we got. We got a bunch of bacon sizzling on the Blackstone griddle, getting it cooked up. Can you hear that? I wish you could smell it. You'd be wanting to come over right now. Get this over here. Get this over here. Get my bacon sorted out. I know you love watching bacon cook. So do I. Let me get my bacon cooked up, and then we'll make these sandwiches. It's going to go pretty quick. We're going to make a turkey toasty and a roast beef and cheese. So both have bacon on them. So stay tuned. Well, the bacon's done. I've got the left side of the griddle on low and the right side of the griddle is turned completely off. I'm going to scrape some of this crap off of here. And this is for my wife's turkey toasty. We're going to throw down some boar's head turkey, sliced deli turkey, just to warm it up a bit. No big deal. I need more than that though. Gotta get a pile of that. Gotta get a pile of it going because she likes a lot of turkey in her sandwich, right? Yeah, we're just getting that warmed up and then we're gonna set it aside. For myself, I have some roast beef. Boar's head roast beef that we're gonna warm up a tad. Just get it warmed up. A little hot there. How much do I need? A couple of slices. Slice kind of thick. I should have asked them to slice it thinner. That should be enough for one sandwich right there. And I've got some Duke's mayo here. Gonna throw down her bread. Her bread is like a 5-grain. I don't know what you call it. What do you call that kind of bread? I don't know what it's called. It's called grain bread. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to spread some Duke's on there. Duke's mayo. Then I'm going to flip that over and let that mayo toast up on the griddle. That'll get that bread nice and toasty. Oh yeah. Put mayo on your bread and toast it up. You got something. Slipping and a sliding, going everywhere. We need some more of that Duke's on there. Let's get some more of that Duke's mayo on there. I think I can take my roast beef off of there. Spread some of that Duke's on there. Hope you can see that. Yeah, some Duke's mayo. Okay. It's going to go pretty quick from here on out. Let's see. We have some Swiss cheese to put on there. Piece of Swiss on each of those slices of bread. Then we're going to get that turkey off of there that we've toasted up a little bit. Got a little warm. Start layering that turkey on there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let me move my roast beef over here, move my turkey toasty over here. And then the coup de grace is this stuff. This is some cranberry orange relish. So it's like cranberry sauce. It's like whole berry cranberry sauce with orange relish in it. That goes in that turkey toasty. And of course we gotta have some bacon, right? We made all that bacon. Can't ignore the bacon. So let's get some bacon on there. Let's get two nice slices of bacon. Then we'll put the other part of it on, the other part of the sandwich. Top it up with that. Uh-oh. Everything's going everywhere. Hang on. Hang on. This is a turkey toasty, not a flopping sandwich. A flopper sandwich. Alright, turkey toasty. Here we go. Whoa, that's hot. Alright, get that on there. There we go. There we go. Press that down a little bit. How's that look? Let me get that on a plate. We'll cut it in half and I'll get my old lady out here to taste test it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make my sandwich, which is the beef and cheese. Stay tuned. Okay, for my sandwich, I got a nice onion roll that I'm toasting up here. Get that toasted up. Then I got some cheddar cheese. I'm gonna throw down on there with some cheddar cheese. You know what I forgot to, hey babe. Hang on, I gotta get my old lady to bring out the horseradish sauce. Okay, so on my sandwich I've got some cheddar cheese and I've got some horseradish sauce that I like a lot. Horseradish sauce. Put on there. Get that on there. Come on now. Get out of there. Alright, horseradish sauce. How about that? Okay, and of course, some bacon. Wouldn't be a sandwich without bacon, would it? But one, two, well, 3 little pieces of bacon. What about it? Some bacon. Now let's get that roast beef off of there. I hope that's enough roast beef. I guess it'll be enough. Get that off of there. Oh, my bacon's flying everywhere. My roast beef. Let me get my onion roll, which is toasting up nicely. Get it flipped on there. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it right there. Oh boy, what a mess. What a mess I'm making. All right. Yeah, let's just let that sit on there and get a little toasty. And we're gonna come back. We'll cut them in half. We'll do a taste test with my old lady. So stay tuned. All right, I got the old lady out here for a taste test. I got your turkey toasty. Don't you want a turkey toasty?
Yeah.
Well, how about eat your turkey toasty then?
Okay.
Pick it up, grab it somehow.
Yummy.
Keep it together before it all falls out. Take a bite. Hurry up.
Do I have to hurry?
No.
Can I enjoy it?
Take your time. Nom, 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 nom. Ah. How is it? A1, huh? Wipe your hands. They're disgusting. Well, I made it for you.
The best.
The best. I got a beer for me. You don't have a beer.
I don't want beer.
That's my beer. It's a Giggle Shark. 7% alcohol. Let me get a taste of that, Rob. I poured it right, Rob. Look at that.
Cranberry.
So it's the best, huh?
The best.
Best ever.
The best ever.
Best ever sandwich from the Root Boy, who's the best ever cook. Just say whatever I tell you to say.
You don't want me to repeat you. You say
I
you're
do.
copying me.
You're copying. I want you to copy me.
He's the best cook. He's the only cook in the house.
Yeah, no one else can cook in this place.
And this is why I gain weight.
And there you go. And there's your lunch. There's your turkey toasty. There's my old lady. She's going to take another bite. That's how hungry she is. Look how good that is. All right, cranberry relish and bacon and mayonnaise. Look at that. It's all over the front of her. Babies, you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out the Tri-Tip Maniacs. My new friend named Mike. He just won some Tango Spice from me. Go check him out. He doesn't make videos very often, but when he does, they're really good. So go check out the Tri-Tip Maniac. I think that's the name of his channel. Tri-Tip something. And wave to my old lady. She'll wave back at you. She had a nice turkey toasty, a nice sandwich, nice grilled sandwich. I'm going to have my roast beef sandwich. And we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.